Hello friends, this is Sejal and today I'm showing you how I decorated my Christmas tree. So first I started with the blue angel tree topper. This is the material I'm going to use. I'm using blue, silver and white. So first I wrapped the ribbon around the tree. And then I did the second layer of ribbon. Then I made a bunch of 3 ornaments, blue and 2 silver, and put it on the tree. After that I used some icicles. And then using socks and angels and fairies, I put one peacock and these 2 nice blue ornaments. It gives really nice look to the tree. And on the ceiling I put some icicles and snowflakes. I put white Christmas snow village, and this is the final look. Continuing the theme, I put one garland over the curtain rod and decorated the wreath with same color combination. Thank you all for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye bye.